me and Cassidy made it down here to Lebanon, Tennessee. We are at the Nashville Super Speedway, and literally not so much Triple Crown, but our first ever, I would say maybe professional show was here at the Speedway with good guys. And anyway, we ended up winning a Iron Builder of the Year finalist award with that silver Chevrolet pickup, which is on the side of our trailer in our wrap, if you ever noticed that. But anyway, with that said, that's when we were first invited to Triple Crown, was that very fall, or in that September, they were having Triple Crown. And so, first one ever, and we didn't make it because our season was already scheduled up. With that said, though, Alan and Cassidy came back the next year, which was last year, and then this year we made sure that we were in Triple Crown. So, and you know, just like I said, talked to Toby, who's just a super guy. You got to meet Toby. Anyway, and Gary Case, he came and talked to us also about upgrading our spot. Anyway, with that said, here we are, Triple Crown. And it is Triple Crown of Rotting, and this is the Super Speedway. Matter of fact, I'll just flip you around. And we are literally sitting right out in front. This is where the NASCAR cars, the garages are right there. And we were sitting right here when we got that award with that silver truck, which was a really awesome award. And we're building another 3100 series Chevrolet pickup. This one is a 1948. It is a 5-window. It is powered by a Blueprint 427 cubic inch supercharged engine, and it is stroked to boot with 840 horsepower. That's what it is. So that's going to be a cool little ride. We're in the middle of working on it right now. Anyway, with that said, we are just cruising around here, and we're just going to kind of give you a little bit of a tour of what's going on. This is early setup. This is Wednesday morning, and just very few people here. Well, actually, there's quite a few here, and but tomorrow is technically the official setup day, which that's the day we're going to set up, and we can kind of drive you by where our trailer and everything's at. That's really cool. Looks like a VIP area that they set up.
That was for the IndyCar race
last weekend, yeah. So anyway, there you go. You can kind of see there's Summit Racing, the world's speed shop. I'd say one of their competitors would be Speedway, which we use both of them. We use Summit quite a little bit, that's for sure. Oh, there's the Diggs Rod Shop trailer. She's sitting down there by Blown Mafia. These guys have got some radical, I mean, look at these vehicles right there. They are just radical. I think they got blowers and turbochargers and nitrous oxide all together. I'll give you guys a little bit of a walk around. We're just kind of cruising around early on right now, but that gives you an idea of what they got going on. Blown Mafia. That's their rig. Awesome to be next to those guys, that's for sure. Diggs Rod Shop right there where you are.
Concert down here.
Yep, and one of the things that's featured here this weekend is the Lieutenant Dan Band. And if you remember, I don't remember his name, but the gentleman that played Lieutenant Dan, he will be here also.
But do you got legs, Lieutenant Dan?
So they're setting up the concert right there. Anyway, I'll whip you back around here. This place will just be packed on Friday. I mean, packed. Last I knew, they had over 190 vendors, and they said they were going to cut it off. I thought about 160, 165, but I think they've got 190. It's just, I mean to tell you, if you need a part for a hot rod, it's here this weekend. There's no doubt about it. We'll make a lot of great connections. A lot of new friends too, so this is really awesome for us to be here, and kind of a privilege, really, I think, to get to enjoy this kind of the industry, I guess to say. This is just really an awesome place. All right, this is Craig, Diggs Rod Shop, catching you on the road. We made it safely. Tomorrow we're going to set up. Mike and Merle's going to be down here later tonight. We'll go out and get something to eat, tour the town a little bit, and we'll set the trailer up tomorrow. And I'll do a video on how we have to set that trailer up. I don't know how often I do that, but it just takes a little bit. Canopies are heavy for this old guy, and Cassidy too. He's getting old too. I mean, come on, yeah. So here we go. I think we're gonna go and we're gonna find a place to wash this thing, the old burb, get some fuel in her, and we're gonna head back this way. I'll turn you around. We're gonna go out the tunnel. Nashville Super Speedway. Ooh, look at all those sponsor signs. Coca-Cola, Sam's Club, Will Scott, Honda, Dick's Rod Shop, Cracker Barrel. Oh, Dick's Rod Shop's not up there. Just kidding. I'd have to mortgage the farm for that. That's pretty cool. There you go. Give you guys a little bit of an idea. This is going out, and we'll do a going in tomorrow. That's what we will do. What an awesome facility, that's for sure. Every time we come down here, I have a hard time dragging Cassidy back to Iowa. He wants to stay here. Okay, Craig here, Dick's Rod Shop. Cassidy's on the wheel, driving. I'm over here riding shotgun. We're gonna get this thing washed up, fueled up, and we're gonna be back here. We'll be back here yet this afternoon. We're gonna get our paperwork, get that all done. So, this is Craig, actually, Dick's Rod Shop, and we're on the road. We're in Tennessee at Triple Crown. We'll see you this weekend.